So I'm going to show you how to put on a 2-piece open sail wetsuit. So you'll need some lubricant. This has a 1:10 ratio of conditioner and water. So to lube it up, you just grab that and just squirt it in there. Be generous, get it in there good, and just go like that a bit. Just get it everywhere. All right, now just so I can film it, I'm gonna keep my pants on, but when you're actually doing it, you need to take off everything. And you wanna start with your bottom part, because the top part goes over this. So once it's lubed up, shove your feet in, 1 foot at a time, go all the way through. Boom, easy. Now I'll go in the change rooms and put it on properly without the pants. So I've got it here, no pants underneath. You just need to pull this up, so get that all smooth. Alright, pull everything up. So now we've got the bottom piece on, just need to get the top piece. So we need to lube that up as well. Get your lube, be generous. Now, I like to go through some of the arms here and kind of get it all lubed up. Alright, now this is the hard part where you can nearly suffocate yourself, but don't worry, it's fine. Put one arm through at a time. So I'm a left-handed, so I'm going to use my left hand first. And just shove it in, one. Then I'm going to shove my other hand through, and then kind of go like that and get in. I'll show you. And one. Now you just need to pull this down and make sure it kind of fits in comfortably. Just pull it so it's all kind of fits right, and twist the arms so they kind of line up. And then grab the key, just shove it up like that, and just lock it in place. Alright. Alright, so another hard part is taking it off, because it's like quite tight, so I'll just have to show you how to take off the top part. So first you just take off this, so you just kind of pull it down and unclip them. There you go. Alright, then this is the hard part. So lift it up a bit, get your elbow in there and kind of grab an extra. Now alright, try not to suffocate doing that, and it's important to not get your nails into the neoprene, because you'll cut into it and create a hole, and then the rest is pretty self-explanatory, you know, easy peasy.